Portillo's gets down, good lord. We got the best Italian beef in any town. Strictly biz, we don't play around. Cover much ground, beef us rolling through town.
What's going on, IPO nerds? My name is Jose, and today we're going to be looking at the Portillo's IPO that is happening next week, guys. If you don't know what Portillo's is, it's Chicago street food, baby. It's like the best hot dogs and everything. So we're going to look at their IPO information. I got an article we're going to go over. We're going to look at a video, look at all their products and everything, learn more about the company. But then, of course, at the end of the video, I'm going to give you the S1 details to help you decide if you should buy or pass. So thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna look at over here is IPO Scoop, right? You can see Portillo's Inc. Ticker symbol is gonna be PTLO, right? They're gonna be offering 20.3 million shares at a price from $17 to $20 per share, and this is going to happen on Thursday, October 21st, guys. So make sure you mark your calendars. Every single week, I bring you the biggest and baddest IPO of all. Of course, I cannot cover all the IPO, guys. Obviously, I'm only one person, right? But this is the biggest one that's happening next week. It's going to be priced at around $375 million, this IPO. So I chose Portillo's. And if you ever have Portillo's, you ever been to Chicago or Florida or any of their locations, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know how you like their products, how you like their food. If you've been following my channel for a while now, then you know that I love to read my man Donovan Jones Seeking Alpha articles right here and just read the summary because he really digs into the company and the company financial data and all that. So right here he says that Portillo is aiming for a $375 million IPO. As I mentioned before, the firm operates a growing network of fast casual restaurants in the Midwest. All right, PTLO has rebounded sharply from a 2020 pandemic period contraction, but it has doubts about its continued exposure to the pandemic negative effects on food and consumer behavior. How many people are really going out to eat nowadays, right, due to the pandemic and all that? I know that companies like DoorDash and companies like Uber Eats and stuff like that have seen an increased amount of revenue every single month since the pandemic happened. But are people going out to these places and eating again? That's, remains to be seen, right? So we're going to look at the article real quick. We're going to look at a video so you get a better idea of all their products and how great this company is, all right? So we're going to look at a video, and then after the video, I'm going to hit you guys up with the S1. So let's check that video out real quick.
To know Portillo's is to love it. Unrivaled Chicago street food. Obsessed fans. Rich history. A family of team members. Our famous food has fans obsessed, from celebrities and musical artists.
Get yourself 2 Portillo's Italian beefs with hot peppers, okay?
To professional athletes.
I mean, D-Wade and we're gonna have Portillo's on set at some point for you all.
We definitely gonna have that.
Portillo's has been popular. If you don't know, you're gonna know.
Portillo's? I think it's like a Chicago hot dog.
And our passionate fans across the country. Portillo's finds a way into your heart and your purse. It all began in the doghouse. In 1963, Dick Portillo invested $1,100 into a small trailer to open the first Portillo's hot dog stand in Villa Park, Illinois. Years later, with over 60 locations in 8 states, Portillo's has become a brand synonymous with greatness. So what's all the hype about? We're known for unrivaled Chicago street food. Chicago-style hot dogs dragged through the garden, slow-roasted Italian beef sandwiches, freshly made chopped salads, craveable cheese fries, homemade chocolate cake, and one-of-a-kind chocolate cake shakes. But it's not just our menu that sets Portillo's apart. People are the heart of Portillo's. Our close-knit teams relish serving up the Portillo's experience in our vintage-inspired dining rooms and unique drive-thrus. And our operating model has allowed us to stay the top dog with our guests. Forbes has taken note too. Unrivaled Chicago street food, obsessed fans, rich history, a family of team members. That's Portillo's.
Wow, guys, I gotta tell you, I'm very impressed. The #1 restaurant brand according to Forbes. That is crazy. That is very, very cool. Also, the owner started with $1,100, a little streetcar, and now it's grown to a massive, massive chain. So, and all these athletes and famous stars going to, to Portillo's and talking about Portillo's, Stephen Covey and everybody else. So wow, it's just a great, amazing what they've done over there, the guys at Portillo's. So kudos to them. And now they're going public, right, guys? So we can own a piece of the company. That is amazing, right? So here's their website, guys. It looks great right here. You can. What about that chocolate cake shake? Have you guys ever heard of that? That is like, wow. That's a heart attack in the cup, I guess. You know, it's like you need a shot of insulin for that. But right here, you can get your free cake on your birthday. That's amazing, right? But it's all about the hot dogs, right, guys? I'm a big fan of hot dogs and burgers. So you got the hot dogs right here, beef sausage sandwiches. You got the charbroiled burgers. They even got chicken sandwiches and everything. It's just a great company. They got pasta and everything. So it's just more than just hot dog, guys. It's just a great company. I'm very excited about this IPO. If you ever been to a Portillo's, please make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment and let me know how do you like it. All right, so everything I've seen, I love, guys, but it's all about the numbers, guys, right? So let's check out their S1 to check out the company financial data. All right, so this S1 was filed on September 27, 2021. The company Portillos Inc. Let's scroll down and see what else we can find out about the company. All right, so here's your consolidated financial data. The company showing revenues right here of $258 million in 2021. Very good. Let's keep scrolling down to see. We have a net income of $13.8 million, guys. So the company's profitable, is making money. That's very good. It's always good to see, right? They have cash and cash equivalents of $54.1 million. So that's very good. I like to see that. The company has money in the bank. So that's great for expanding, right, in operations. Their total assets right here, guys, we're looking at $924 million. Nothing to shake a stick at, right? That's very good. Now, total liabilities, we're looking at $568 million. So more assets than liabilities. You know I like to see that. All right, so my man Donovan Jones right here says, while Portillo's has rebounded in the first half of 2021, I personally seek out companies that aren't so exposed to the unknown future trajectory of the pandemic. So I'll sit this one out. And here's what I have to disagree with my man Donovan Jones. I loved everything I've seen about this company. Not only do celebrities love this company, right? But the company has a positive net income. They have cash in the bank and everything. So I'm going to have to give this one a big thumbs up, guys. And you know that I'm going to be looking at grabbing me some shares of Portillo's. You betcha. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, this is just my opinion, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not investing financial advice. So make sure you do your own research. And let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, guys, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. But more important than that, make sure you take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rick Assavis the main. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever know, ya. I take your girl, your house, your money, leave you broke, son.